Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and guess what? 2019 is almost over. We survived. Well, for the most part. There's still a few days left, so don't fuck it up. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious champagne punch. This is easy, it's tasty, it's a great way to say, fuck off 2019 and start 2020. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna start out with is some ginger ale. Go ahead and add that in. Doing it slowly to try to preserve those bubbles. We're gonna add some triple sec. Okay, so we're gonna add in some cranberry juice. Next, some pineapple juice. And some more pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is getting out of control. So now we're gonna add in some champagne, because what's champagne punch without champagne, right? So let's go ahead and pop this baby. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna dress this baby up with some frozen cranberries. It's all nice and bubbly from the champagne. I also sliced up some fresh pineapple. I cut it in with a cookie cutter to make it look like stars, froze those too, so we're gonna add those in. So I'm just kind of highlighting the flavors that we made this punch with, so it's pineapple and cranberry. And plus it looks really cool. Now for the main attraction. So earlier what I did is I scooped out some sorbet, did separate scoops, put it on a baking sheet and put it in the freezer to freeze it nice and solid. We're gonna put the sorbet on top too, so it's gonna get that nice foamy melted sorbet intermixing with the champagne. It's gonna be really, really awesome. Now the main attraction. Add in our frozen sorbet. How great does that look? Super easy, super fun and festive, a delicious pineapple and cranberry champagne punch. I kept calling it brunch throughout this whole video. So I just wanna say, hey, you know what? It's the end of 2019. This is a delicious, fun, festive drink that I think that you can enjoy at any party, or you can just drink the whole thing yourself. You don't have to have other people over. But speaking of other people, I wanna show off my crew because we're actually done filming for all of 2019. So you're watching this in December, but we filmed this at the end of September. So we've wrapped 2019 pretty early this year, and it's a pretty awesome thing because usually I am never that far ahead. So we're all gonna have a little bit of a toast and some punch. Okay, so I'm gonna have my crew come on in because these people help me make all of the fun videos that you guys watch. I couldn't do this without them. Honestly, I really couldn't do this without them. They make this channel happen. So come on in, have a drink. This is my mom Marion. My friend Haley. This is Taylin. So from our little family to yours, have a happy holiday and we'll see you guys next year. Cheers.
Cheers.
I drank before I toasted you, sorry. Bad vibes, bad vibes. See you guys next time.
Happy New Year.
I'm gonna show you how to make a really delicious, simple, and tasty champagne brunch. Why do I keep saying brunch?
Because you wanted the brunch.
I do love brunch. I talk about people fucking up and I keep fucking it up. Okay.